Hey guys, Mobile Geezer, and since I didn't do an unboxing of my Galaxy Flip 7 FE, I promised you guys we take a quick look at it first chance I get. So, I'm going to show it to you now.
Let's do this!
So first I wanted to show you what came in the box. Of course you know that's not going to be much. It came with its SIM ejection tool, and of course we have our power cord and our paperwork. And front and back when it's folded, of course, got Gorilla Glass Viscous 2. And of course the display when fully opened up on the inside is actually plastic, not glass. So looking around on the left side we have our SIM tray. And on the right we have our power button fingerprint sensor, which works very well. And our volume up and down. And on the top and bottom really you can see our microphones, our USB Type-C and our speaker. And of course I'm like Flossie, I like my flip action. So I wanted to show you that the fingerprint sensor works nicely. And also the face recognition works very well too. And you probably know to get the apps that I wanted on the front screen I had to download GoodLock. And then you use the GoodLock launcher to set up the ones you want to set up. And they may or may not be optimized to work with that front screen. And you find that as you go. Of course, you only have to do that with GoodLock once, setting everything up, so that's good. And you swipe left from the main screen, and that's where you get all your notifications. And of course, I've told the story why I picked the FE over the regular Flip 7, because I wanted to save that $200. And yes, I know the screen is not the full screen like the regular 7 is, but since I haven't had a Galaxy Flip since the 3 and 4, it doesn't bother me at all, and this screen will do just fine for me. And yes, I know the hardware is still the Flip 6, but since I haven't had anything since the 4, it didn't matter to me. And I do have the upgraded software, it's just the hardware that sticks with the 6. So all in all, I'm quite satisfied, and I did get a good deal pre-ordering and with my trade-in. So I'm very satisfied. Oh, and by the way, I'm getting about 5 to 6 hours of screen on time too. So it seems like battery life is pretty good. I'll start doing some testing and some comparing with some other phone cameras coming up this week. I just wanted to let you guys get this first look as I promised. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.
And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
Yeah.